Welcome back to CryptoCoin News. Today we are going to be taking a look at Ripple XRP and if it has potential to recover from its massive drop it's seen over the last 2 weeks and if it could ever see that $5 price point in 2018. But before we get into this video today, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video here on CryptoCoin News. We do 3 to 5 cryptocurrency news videos every single day and live stream almost every single night going over the market conditions, and we try to find some new coins that you could potentially invest in after you do your own research, of course. But if you're a cryptocurrency investor or you're interested in the cryptocurrency space, subscribing is definitely not a bad idea. And guys, let's start a conversation down below in the comment section. What do you think of Ripple XRP? Do you hold it? Have you ever held this currency? At what point did you get in? And at what point are you looking to sell? And where do you see the currency going in the year 2018? But as you can see, the market's sitting around $703 billion, still under about $40 billion in trade volume. But that's okay. We're still kind of consolidating. Everyone's still selling off. A lot of weak hands are being created. People that were one-time long-term holders and very passionate about holding are now becoming weak as they see the market still isn't recuperated after about a 4 to 5 day low. So we're going to be losing a lot of people over these next few days, and I guess holding strength will be tested. So let's hope a lot of you guys have some very strong hands. I know I do. I've been holding my currencies for dear life as I've taken a ride with Tron, Neblio, Substratum, all of these currencies over the past couple of days, and I'm actually enjoying it because I know that this market correction was needed, this sell-off was needed, get these weak hands out of the market, and make room for some whale buying opportunities when whales see some of these lower prices and actually believe in the tech. So if you're in a good coin that has a great utility, whales are going to infuse capital, I promise that much, and I think Ripple is one of those that will see that infused capital very soon. So as you can see, it's sitting under $70 billion in market cap. That is quite a ways down from its all-time high, doing about $1.7 billion in trade volume, so that's still pretty healthy for this currency. There's still a lot of money coming in and out of Ripple, so that's good. People are still interested. As you can see, the graphs are all over the place, especially in the last month, as most coins got a lot of action throughout December. About a month ago, it was a 77-cent currency, and it went all the way up to, I think, what was it, like 381. And then here's where the Korean won was removed from the marketplace, seeing the biggest crash in Ripple history, and then a lot of weak hands. And then I thought what was going to be stability, but we continue to see more weak hands selling out whenever they possibly can. But with a utility like Ripple, a lot of the whale investors are probably just watching this price and waiting for the right point to jump in, and we're going to see a spike again. That's how I feel with Ripple and Tron. So these are two great coins that have great utilities, a great team, a great set of marketing strategists behind them, and we know that these coins are going to go somewhere. Now, what's happening is we're seeing a lot of weak-handed people, a lot of investors that maybe did get in, say down here at $1 or $2, that were waiting for this to get to $5 to $10, but now are just trying to take any type of profit they can. And that's what you're seeing here. Anyone that got in at $1 was probably taking profit down here, just trying to get out. And now we're continuing to see people probably take losses if they got in at $2.50, and maybe some people taking small profits or just breaking even down here at this point. Right now we're at $1.80, which feels pretty healthy. And as you can see, the graph does not show signs of still stopping. It looks like we're still going to see some correction. Maybe we'll find some support down here under the 162 mark. I think this currency will probably be priced around the 160 to $2 mark over the next couple of weeks. But with any more big partnerships, big announcements, or more proof of its utility, we're going to see Ripple XRP rise. Now, a lot of you guys know MoneyGram and Ripple just teamed up to test XRP's currency transfers. MoneyGram's a pretty big company that they're not as big as they once used to be, but they're a pretty big company, and this is a pretty big deal. If MoneyGram's tests go well and they come back reporting great news about Ripple XRP and its capabilities to do what it says it can do, then we're going to see Ripple's price probably skyrocket again. Because with the MoneyGram news, we did see a little bit of bump in price. It wasn't crazy. It was nothing ridiculous. I think this was the bump here to about $2.15, and then we saw the price dip back down again and kind of find stability around the $2 mark for a little bit. Now, this is something that we just need news. Ripple needs news and needs proof. It is one of the top currencies, as you can see, top 3 currencies still with total market cap, and it's still quite a ways ahead of Bitcoin Cash, which is making decent trade volume right now and could potentially catch Ripple sometime in the near future. But if Ripple continues to come out with news and companies like MoneyGram can report good things about XRP, we're going to see this price go up. Now, smart money, big whales, investors, people that are into Wall Street and have their their roots so embedded into the financial system, they're going to want to invest in Ripple. It's old school finance. It's helping banks. It's helping our structure that we already have in place become better. And big business knows how horrible our current financial structure is. So if Ripple works and MoneyGram goes well, we're going to see that great reports are going to come out. MoneyGram's going to praise that Ripple XRP is an amazing company doing amazing things with their tech. And then we're going to see, I think, some whales, some big investors get in early. Okay, they're going to get in at that $1.60, that $1.70 price point. And we're going to see this coin skyrocket, I think, to $3 again. And maybe even $3.50 again to $4 market cap or $4 price point, because once the whales get in, and then once there's proof that that XRP can actually do something for MoneyGram, we're going to see more companies want to get involved, and this price is going to skyrocket, guys. Remember, the more transactions that Ripple XRP can process, the lower the total supply will become, the more every single coin will become worth. So we need them to have big partnerships, and I feel like this is their kiddie pool. MoneyGram is their kiddie pool. It's their test point. So if they can do good things with MoneyGram and they can get great marks across the board, golden stars all the way around, then we're going to hear MoneyGram praise them. And with that praisal will come whale investors. And with the whale investors will come probably other financial institutions willing to give them a chance. And if they can continue to succeed from financial institution to financial institution, we're going to see this coin explode. This could be a $10 currency before the end of the year. It just needs to show that its utility is actually usable and it works and it's reliable and it's something that people can trust. And if people can trust it, it could replace our old financial system and how everything's set up and make everything a lot faster and a lot cheaper. And that is innovation, and innovation is worth money. So if it can prove that it works and it can do good by a company like MoneyGram, we're going to see Ripple XRP's price skyrocket, as whale investors will know the value of XRP then. They'll be like, wow, okay, the utility works. I know if this works, what it's actually worth, and we're going to see probably billions infused into this marketplace in the span of 48 hours just because a lot of people are going to hop on it. And then, yes, we'll have weekends selling out as it rises. But I see this coin definitely being a $5 coin before the end of Q2 and being a $10 coin before the end of the year, as long as they can prove that it works. Now, obviously, South Korea potentially banning the cryptocurrency trading marketplace was a huge concern for Ripple, as if you can see here, the Korean won is one of the biggest supporting factors. $1 billion almost are in the top leaders here. Look at this. Okay, so 600, 200, 100. Then you have another 75. So over $1 billion of this 1.7 billion is from Korea. So this scared a lot of people. This had a lot of people selling. And with all these people scared and confused and not knowing what to do, they just got out before the news was actually clarified. And there is actually going to be no cryptocurrency trading ban. South Korea government confirms there's going to be no ban. They're just cracking down on exchanges that aren't going to comply with their tax and report policies. If they're not going to comply with their tax policies, they're going to shut down those certain exchanges, but they're not banning cryptocurrency. So that should put some people at ease, and we should see this price hopefully stabilize. I don't think we're going to see it rise from this news, but hopefully we see it stabilize from this news. Okay, so hopefully some stability there. Now, another piece of news. This is someone that went over how is Ripple valued? Here's a framework for valuing this cryptocurrency. In this article, they go over how it's valued and how they can see it reaching $8. Now, a lot of things have to happen, but I agree with this article and think that an $8 price point for Ripple by the end of 2018 is possible. If you want to go over the market cap, okay, say we're at $2, around $80 billion. Okay, so then we only need that 4x. So you only need to see about a $360 billion market cap. Now, that is higher than Bitcoin currently, but we're hoping over the course of the year that this becomes like $3 trillion. Okay, a $3 trillion market cap or a $2 trillion market cap, and the top three coins are all in that $200 to $400 billion range. That's my hope, and that I think Ripple will be a top 3 to top 5 currency still at the end of the year, as long as they can prove their utility with MoneyGram and continue to do great things and partner with great companies and financial institutions. We will see this price stabilize and hopefully rise. I think it is about to stabilize, especially with the news about now banned from South Korea, and then the news that obviously there's a lot of room for this marketplace to grow as long as it grows alongside the total market. Now, we do need to see the market probably at a $1.5 to $2 trillion market cap to really see this coin hit that $7 to $10 price range, because I never think it's going to be the number 1 currency, or at least here in 2018 it won't be. But it could be a number 3 to 2 for the rest of the year, especially if this market cap grows. As the market cap in general grows, these top currencies will continue to grow. And I think in the end of the year, we're going to see top currencies being Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Okay, those are going to be your top 5. Cardano's probably going to fall out, and we're going to see Litecoin hop in and take this number 5 spot. And these will be the top 5 currencies. They have the best utility as of yet that I believe. And Bitcoin's just a store of value like gold. So I feel like that's always going to be somewhere up here. If Bitcoin's having a bad day, a lot of other coins tend to have a bad day. But right now, Bitcoin's not doing too bad. It's actually up today. We're seeing in the $14,000 price point. That feels great. I know I hold a decent amount of Bitcoin, so I'm happy to see Bitcoin recoup and recover here, especially with my mining contract with Hashflare. I want Bitcoin to go up because as I cash out, I want those payouts to be more and more and more. So I'm personally excited. If you guys aren't following us on Twitter yet, Crypto Coin News with a Z, that's our Twitter, and it's also linked down below in the description. Give us a follow. We tweet about a lot of stuff. We tweet about Tron this morning, Bitcoin, UFR. We do a lot of just like little polls here asking you guys about certain videos and ideas and cryptocurrencies. Definitely give us a follow. And we started a group Discord. It's going to be a swing trade Discord where we're going to announce swing trades every other week or so on that Discord. You can chat with everyone in the Crypto Coin News community. That link to our Discord is also down below. Don't forget to join that. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this news piece, found it informative, and actually feel a little bit more at ease holding Ripple XRP. Guys, like I said, Ripple is now maybe somewhat at its basement, at its bottom level, about a $1.60, I would say, is its bottom level, $1.65. We're going to see this price go up before the end of 2018. So if you're into Ripple XRP for a long-term hold, you will see profit of probably 2x or more. I definitely can see a 2x happening in this year, but I'm more, if I'm going to be bullish, I'm saying 3 to 4x before the end of the year. So definitely hold on tight, guys. This coin is not dead. It's got a great utility, a great team behind it, great advisors. It's going to go big, big places as long as it can prove to companies like MoneyGram that its utility is actually capable of doing what they say it can do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video, don't forget to have some happy trading out there, and goodbye.